I swear I left it down here.
Mike, what are you doing?
I'm looking for my aluminum pole for Festivus.
What?
Festivus, Rob. Festivus.
What is that, some kind of new holiday or something?
Yeah, exactly.
Huh, really? Well, tell me all about it.
Well, you see, many summers ago, I was camping in a tent with a group of my friends. And as I was setting up a tarp over my tent, right before a massive rainstorm, I looked over and saw another man doing the same. And as the rain crashed down upon us later that night, I realized there had to be a better way. And just like that, a new RV sale was born. A Festivus sale for the rest of us.
Huh, that must be some kind of sale.
Oh, it is.
But what does this have to do with an aluminum pole?
Well, you see, Rob, for Festivus, we don't use a Christmas tree. We have an aluminum pole. It's got a very high strength to weight ratio, plus I find tinsel distracting.
Huh. Well, why don't you just use this pole that I have right over here?
Where did that even come from?
Well, Mike, all of our trailers are made out of aluminum.
It's a Festivus miracle.
Starting today, we're going to be posting walkthroughs of all of our trailers online every day throughout the holiday. We're going to have special Festivus pricing on all of our units, whether it's in stock or on order.
Another Festivus miracle.
Plus, mention this Festivus sale and you'll get a free package of tinsel, because we know Mike won't be needing it. Happy holidays!